Welcome to Future Wheels. Ford's legendary Escort Mk1 RS nameplate has officially been reborn, but not in the way you might expect. British engineering firm Boreham Motorworks has revealed a brand new, officially licensed reinterpretation of the classic Escort Mk1 RS, and it's far more than a simple Restomod. The company calls it a Continuumod, a completely new car built from the ground up, approved by Ford, and inspired by one of the most iconic rally-bred machines of the 1960s and 70s. Under the hood, buyers get two distinct engine choices. The base setup is a tuned twin-cam four-cylinder, but the real headline is the high-performance 10K engine. This 2.1-liter motorsport-inspired unit delivers around 325 horsepower and screams all the way to a wild 10,000 RPM redline. Power is sent to the rear wheels through a 5-speed dogleg manual gearbox, keeping the driving experience fully analog. Boreham has also completely re-engineered the chassis, stretching and strengthening it for better handling while using lightweight materials like aluminum and titanium in the suspension to drastically reduce unsprung weight. The goal is simple: modern precision with classic raw character. Inside, the Escort Mk1 RS blends old-school simplicity with luxury touches like carbon fiber panels, leather trim, and even optional Breitling timepieces. Production will be extremely limited, just 150 units worldwide, with pricing starting around $400,000. This isn't just a comeback, it's a rebirth of a rally icon, reimagined for a new generation. This is Future Wheels.